How's it going, everyone? It's John, and I've got a review on Tricky Questions, which is a fun and brain-stimulating picture guessing game. Here we go. Let's go right into play. Main menu is very simple. I want to get right down into the action. You're going to have level hints at the beginning. I'm on level 1, so here we go. Guess the object by opening one or several cards with hints. Each card costs 1 coin. So let's try and hit as least as possible. So let's see, can fly or not? If it is fly, then it's going to be this one, so let's try that one out. Cannot fly, so now it's one of these two. A vegetarian or a predator. Try this one out. And it is a predator, so let's try this one, and it's wrong. I thought it was the snail. No. Okay, continue. I'm sure one of you might have guessed it. So this game is tricky here. Now I'm down to 5 coins, so I thought I had, well, I guess because I used some of the cards. Occasionally or everyday use, mechanical or electronic. Let's try mechanical or electronic. It's saying it's electronic, so it's got to be one of these two. Used for people with health problems, or everybody uses. Occasionally or everyday use. Occasionally, everyday use, it's got to be this one. Alright, that's a cell phone. And now I've got to solve the riddle by selecting one of the objects. So, the doesn't lie. If you ever get stuck, you can hit this captions button and it'll spend a coin here. So the book doesn't lie, the radio doesn't lie, the camera doesn't lie. I think it's the camera doesn't lie. And sure enough it is. What goes around the wood but never in the wood? I think it's this one. No, got it wrong. Okay, so you definitely, this game is tricky. You're going to start off with 10 coins and now I'm down to 1. And once you lose all those coins, you'll see that you can't play the game further and you do have to wait for coins. It's kind of a bummer that it's like that. But again, this app is free, so you do have to wait so that your coins do recharge. Follow the, and you'll get to the sea. It's probably going to be this one, but I just want to use a caption just to be sure. Follow the river, and you'll get to the sea. Definitely that one. So this is a challenging game. You're going to have different ones like this one here. Make a chain from, so you've got, for example, cup would be the first word. Second one would be cat, or cut, excuse me, because they only differ from one letter, the P and the T. And then, so here's warm, and it's probably going to be this one, worm. Now, I know this level already because I've played it. It's going to be form, which is this one. Form and foam. And that makes the chain right there. And clothes or equipment for the head or for the hands is made of rubber or made of fabric. Let's try clothes or equipment. Equipment, so it's got to be this one here. So when you do guess the right one here on the first try, then you don't have to use as many coins. So now I'm back up to 2 coins. This game does have a very nice, unique feel. It keeps everything fresh because every single level is going to be different head. And let's just use the captions here because I don't want to get this one wrong. Head and this one. No, thought it just differed from one letter. So I'm out of the game there. Bottom line, tricky questions, and I'll show you what I mean here by the coin system. If I hit later, it's going to give me 9 hours until I can play again to get those 2 coins, or I can choose to buy some more coins. So either way, if you want to keep playing, you can go ahead and buy those. If you enjoyed, please hit that like button down below as well as subscribing. Tricky Questions is a challenging guessing game that I recommend everyone check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.